Hi, I'm NATASHA DENONA and I'm here to show you my new limited edition Love eyeshadow palettes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this purpley, smoky eye makeup look. I will start with first as this transition slightly above the crease. Then I'm going in with Heartbeat, pressing this onto the outer third of the lid, but while I'm pressing, I'm also blending inwards. Now with Heart, I will connect these two shades and create a soft blend and transition between them. Going in with first, again, just to diffuse a little bit the edges. Now I'm following with Lifetime. This is a gorgeous high shine metallic and sparkling eyeshadow. I'm pressing this onto the center lid. I'm using Passion just to create a soft transition in between these both shades. Because I'm using this dark shade and then the light shade, there's a big contrast between them. So you should use like a medium dark shade like Passion that will just connect both and will create this soft transition. For the inner corner, I'm using Transparent, a very light lilac. I have defined the inner rim and also the outer part of the lower and upper lash line for Super Drama, and as the base for Commitment. This is a cream powder eyeshadow, a wet powder that I'm going to smudge the pencil with. You can clearly see how this eyeshadow melts softly and perfectly into the black pencil, and they create this soft transition. With a chiseled brush and the same eyeshadow, I will continue to blend and just to connect everything into pure softness. And for the final touch on the lower lash line, I'm using Dream to blend and to soften the edges.